stop overthinking and live life more fully, try these strategies. First, practice mindfulness and be present in the moment. Second, engage in regular physical exercise to reduce stress and promote well being. Third, develop a healthy routine and stick to it. Fourth, challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones. 5. Set realistic goals and focus on taking small steps towards achieving them. 6. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people. 7. Limit exposure to triggers that fuel overthinking, such as excessive news consumption or social media use. Number 8. Consider seeking professional help if overthinking becomes overwhelming. It, so it's okay to ask for support. Bye.